Hello and welcome to the fourth video in this Rein intro series. This one we're going to cover dispute and resolution and how that works inside Rein. So what I've done is I've set up a job here. This is like a graphics job, software between Bob and Charlie, in such a way that Charlie has gone through the process, the bid. He bid. Bob accepted it he made an offer, so that started the job. And then Charlie did the delivery and posted the delivery here. And then at this point we can see the status. For Bob, it shows the job as awarded. Probably that should say delivered instead of job awarded. And also if we do Rein status for Charlie, it's also going to show job awarded. But okay, so let's assume the delivery was made and now Bob is not accepting it. So the worker, in this case Charlie, would want to do a worker dispute. So here it shows jobs that Charlie was involved in that he might be able to dispute. I believe they have to have a offer status at least, and they're not accepted yet. I think actually it should still allow him to do it when it's accepted, but of course still trying to figure this part of it out a little bit. So here we have the deliverables, what he posted, and then it says please provide as much detail as possible. You should build and sign a payment. So to try and move this all along with the dispute, the worker is going to sign a payment that refunds him at his address, which is his delegate address. And for some people, I may have a problem with using delegate addresses to actually receive payments. You might think it's not secure. It's certainly not as private as it could be, but this is an early stage. Certainly something like an HD wallet could happen later. But let's just get back to this part of it. And so Charlie, it says, I delivered, but no action in a few days. That kind of thing. And he says, all right, so now that dispute has been entered, and he's going to do a Rein sync to push that up to the servers. Charlie pushes it up. Okay, now what Charlie can do, so this is the stage where Alice gets involved. So we'll do Rein resolve is what Alice would do in this case. She would kind of be running this command quite a bit just to see, okay, what are the jobs that I'm involved in? And here you can see our flyer job has a dispute in it. So now you can see the dispute detail, and we have a chance for resolution. Of course, before she resolves it, she probably wants to take a look at all the various documents involved in that transaction, and may want to contact Bob and Charlie separately to see what they have to say about it. But for this we can do Rein status job ID, and we can post the job ID here. And what this will do is it will ask for all documents from the Causeway servers we're connected to. It will ask for all the documents for those. And like in this case, it's asking for them from Bob's perspective, but it doesn't really matter which user is used for it. But in any case, you can see that's all been output, and we can scroll back through and kind of read the entire history. Here's the description of the flyer. There's really not any time involved here, but there's enough information to contact everyone and resolve the conflict. So let's say that Alice then, she looks at it and she decides to resolve it. This is Alice. She's going to say the resolution, I make the judgment for Charlie. And then now she gets a chance to sign the primary payment that goes to Charlie. She can see the redeem script, and she can see Charlie's delegate address, so she can make that payment. I'm just going to put in blah 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 because this is complicated and requires actual live payments, something that you would use Coinbin transaction to actually do with the redeem script. So sign primary payment, and then sign mediator payment, same deal. Of course, here it advises her that she should be paying herself at her delegate address. that's it. So now Rein sync multi. Let's put Alice's document up for resolution. And now when we do Rein status as Alice, we see the complete dispute is resolved, and that completes it. Now, worker dispute is pretty much the same, and payments happen outside of this, but that is pretty much the walkthrough of Rein. Hopefully you've enjoyed this series. If you want to see more videos about Rein or see it maybe when there's a beta release available, please subscribe and you'll get notified. You can also follow us on the project at Rein Project, or you can follow me at Weeks. I'm David Sterry. I've developed this so far to this point, but had a lot of great support from people reaching out and saying they like the project and wish it luck. I think there's definitely value for an uncensorable labor market in the world that uses Bitcoin purely, and I know I plan to use it certainly to get some help maybe building this, but hopefully you enjoyed that, and hope to see you again soon.